Hey guys, what if I show you a normal photo and in 5 seconds it start moving like a Hollywood movie scene? Not animation, not slideshow, real cinematic motion. Today I found something that is honestly feels illegal to use. So this is Higgsfield Studio Cinema 2.0 by Higgsfield. And this is not just a video enhancer. It is a AI cinematic engine. It can generate AI photos, generate AI videos, convert any photo into movie cinematic shots, add realistic camera movements, apply dramatic lighting styles. Basically, it turns idea into movie-like visuals. So now I'm going to show you some samples that I made from Higgsfield Studio Cinema 2.0. So now if you also want to make this type of videos, so you just need to type Higgsfield in Google. So this is the first website in which you need to click. Okay. You just need to log in right here. Okay. And after login, this is the tool that today we are going to discuss about. This is Cinema Studio 2.0. Okay. So this is the new tool that Higgsfield just released. So we are going to check this, that how it works and which type of videos, which type of photos that we can create from this. Okay, so this I have already made. So now we are going to make some new photos, new videos. So basically in this tool you can make image as well as video also. So first of all we are going to make some images. You can make any type of photos, whatever you want to make. You just need to type a prompt right here. Okay, like I type right here that man is standing in singing concert. So we can also change some prompt, like currently I'm typing like after typing a prompt there are two three things that we need to check it out. Okay, so first of all there are bed size. It means how many photos you want. You can decrease or you can increase by 4. Okay, you can make 4 photos maximum at one time. Okay, so this is the ratio. So you can change the ratio. Okay, currently I am working on 6:9. Okay, which is mainly for YouTube purpose. Okay, so you can also change the resolution. So highest resolution is your 4K, and after that, this is your grid style. Okay, so currently I am working on one by one. Okay, and this is your reference element. You can add any type of reference. Okay, that you, if you want to make any object or any character look very consistent. Okay, if you don't want to change that object. Okay, so you can add here that element. Like if you want to, if you don't want to change the face of the character, then you can add the face of character right here. Okay, so basically you need to add 4 minimum elements. Okay, you just need to click here, and after that you can add the image of your element which you don't want to change. Okay, if you don't want to change your hands, so then you can add the photo of your hands. Okay, if you don't want to change any object in your photos, then you can add that type of photo right here. Okay, and after that you can give the name, element name, whatever you want to give a name, or after that you can also give a description. Okay, and if you don't want to give any type of element, then you don't need to worry, you just need to cancel right here. Okay, so now we are going to talk about this thing. This is very important thing. Like there are so many tools that is already available in the market which make the photo that looks like AI photo. But in this tool, you can change the camera, you can change the lens, you can change focal length or aperture. That makes your photo that looks like a real cinematic photograph. That don't that not look like any simple AI generated photo. Okay. So there are different type of cameras that you can select. Okay, if you have a good knowledge of camera, then you can make a good quality of photos or videos in this. Okay, so I don't have so many knowledge of this, so I can just going to select this modular 8K digital. Okay, and after that the lens, I'm going to select this premium modern prime. You can also select another lens. There are so many lenses are available. Okay, but I don't have so much knowledge. If you want to take the knowledge of this, then you can also check it out on Google. Okay, and after that the focal length that I'm going to select is 35 mm, and the aperture size is 4 f by 4. Okay, and after that simply we just need to click on the generate button. Okay, so this will take some time, and after that it will make 4 photos. Okay, and one more thing, if you want to add your own photo, then you can also select from here. You just need to click on this plus sign, and after that you can add any photos of yours. Okay, so you just need to upload and click on the upload image, and then you can select any image of yours or anyone else. Okay, now it has made like 2 photos, right? Okay, so we need to wait 10 or 15 seconds more to generate all the photos. Okay, so you can check that there are photos that they have generated. Okay, so this is the photo that you can check that don't look like a AI photo. Okay, it actually looks like someone has captured by their own camera. Okay, you can check it out. Okay, if you have a good knowledge of camera, then you can make so much good quality of photos. Okay, so now this is the photos that I have created. I know it is not of good quality because I don't have much knowledge of the camera or the lens. Maybe I select the wrong camera. Maybe that's why it looked like blur photo. I know it is slightly blur, but you can enhance the photos. Okay, by clicking on this enhancer, and you can relight this photo also. You can change this angle. Okay, there are angles that you can change. Okay, and after that you just need to click on the generate button, and it will change the angle of your photo. Okay, so now it is generating a new photo that have a different angle. Okay, so now this is the photo that this is generated, and if you want to make this photo 3D, then you can generate by clicking on this 3D scenes. Okay, and if you want to animate, if you want to make this photo into animation, if you want to if you want to convert this photo into video, then you just need to click on animate, and this is the starting or end frame. Just need to click here, and after that you can take any you can make this photo into video. Okay, now I am typing that I want to make the model move. Okay, so here you can see that there are multi shot auto. You can make a single shot also. Okay, if you want to make different type of shots, then you can click on the multi shot auto, and there are another thing that is multi-shot manual. Okay, I'm just clicking on this multi-shot auto. Okay, so after that the ratio is 16 by 9 and quality is 1080p. This is the highest quality for the videos, and this is the genre. Okay, here you can select any type of genre. If you want to make your video just like a general photo, general video, then you need to click on the general, action, horror, comedy, any type of videos you can create from a single photo. You don't need so much photo, you don't need so much things, you just need a single photo. And if you want to add end frame, so you can also click here and add some end frame also. Okay, but currently I'm adding only one photos, and after that I'm creating this here the action. I want the action video, so that's why I'm clicking on this action. After that there is something that the audio. Okay, if you want audio, then yeah, definitely you want audio, so it will looks much better in audio. Okay, and here's the best size, that is 4 by 4, and here you need to click on generate. But before clicking on the generate, here is something, the movement style, which type of movement you want in your videos. You just need to click here, and there are different type of movement that you can generate in your photo. Okay, like from photos to videos, you can you can add any type of movement like zoom out. If you want to make your video zoom out, then zoom out, zoom in, camera follows. And there is one more thing that I love so much is here. This is the drone shot. This is the beautiful shot you will get in your videos. Okay, and here is the after drone shot, you just need to check that speed ramp. Okay, if you want to slow the motion, then you can click on that slow mo. Okay, and they are the linear, but I always prefer for the auto. Okay, it will make you video so much better. Okay, and here's the time duration that you can select by your own, which type of uh video duration that you want. Okay, if you want the maximum is of 12 second. Okay, and I'm going to make of only 6 or 7 6 second. Okay, and after 6 seconds you just need to click on generate button. It will start converting your photo into video. Okay, this is the best part. Okay, you can convert any photo into video. This is the best part. Okay, so currently it is generating, it is currently processing, and after that it will generate your video. Okay, so currently it is generating our videos, but it will take a good amount of time. So now we can click also on the image and you can convert your there are so many things that is available in this. Okay, this is the 3D sign, this is the reference. If you want to add reference that I have already discussed, then you can add your reference, animate that we are currently doing. And this is the what next. And this is, you can change your, you can convert your single photo into multi shots. Okay, so we are again it is converting in your single shot into multiple shot. Okay, you can add what next. In what next you will find lot of things. And still that I have already discussed. If you want to change the style of this guy, then you can change the style. Okay, so yeah, this is what. And one more thing that I'm going to discuss after the generation of our video, that right here it is generating. After generating the video, after that I will also discuss some more thing about this new tool, that is Studio Cinema Studio 2.0. Guys, you can check it out that this AI tool convert your single photo into video, or this video you can check it out, the video type, the video quality. Okay, this is the video that this AI tool is have generated. You can check, guys, check. You can make different type of videos. You can this is the action video that I have created. You can take different type of, you can make horror video, you can create a intimate photo, you can a video, you can make funny videos, you can take you can make different type of videos. You just need to click on this genre, and here you can check it out that this is the horror comedy. You can make different type of genre of your photo or video. Okay, so yeah, this is the thing. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about some more thing. If you want to add your own photo or video, then which type of videos they have generated, that I have already made. So I'm going to click on this, and here you can check that I have created lot of videos, lot of videos. Okay, I don't want to waste your time. Okay, that's why I have already made the video. Okay, and you can check it out, the style that this make this AI tool make. Yeah. So I have already shared the this type of videos in the starting scenes. Okay. So you can also change, you can add two images. Okay, and then you can convert your two photos into videos, like in the starting or end frame. Okay. So this is also you can make. Okay, this is the sample. So if you want to add two photos, then which type of videos you will get. Okay. My net is not working. Sorry, guys. Sorry. So yeah, you can check that this type of video you will get. So yeah, this is all about for this video. If you also want to make this type of AI videos, AI photos, then you can go to my this video description box, and there you can find the link of this AI tool, that is Higgsfield.ai. And yeah, and then you can also make this type of videos. So yeah, this is all about for this video. If you really find this video helpful, then you can subscribe my channel and you can like this video. Thank you so much.